Another day, another English lesson. Giving opinions. It is, was, plus adverb, plus past participle. Hello again, everyone. In English, we often express opinions or make judgments about things by using the structure. It is, was, plus adverb, plus past participle. This is a concise and natural way to say what we think about something, especially in everyday conversations. It focuses on the quality, condition, or effect of the thing being discussed. How it works. It is, was refers to the thing you are judging. The adverb tells us how strongly you feel about it or describes the opinion. Finally, the past participle describes the quality, state, or impression. Examples in conversation. A. How is the book? B. It's poorly written. A. What did you think of the movie? B. It was beautifully filmed. A. How was the restaurant? B. It's highly recommended. This structure is very flexible. You can use it for positive judgments. It's well done, beautifully illustrated, very informative. Negative judgments. It's badly designed, poorly explained, terribly organized. Using this pattern makes your opinion direct, natural, and easy for others to understand. Now, watch and complete the sentences with the adverb and past participle forms of the words in parentheses. The words are not always in the correct order.
How was the pizza?
It was perfectly cooked.
How is the new phone?
It is badly made.
Did you like the movie?
Yes, it was beautifully filmed.
How is your new desk?
It is poorly assembled.
What do you think of the painting?
It is beautifully painted.
How was the convention last weekend?
It was impressively organized.
How is the hotel?
It is comfortably furnished.
Did you read the article?
Yes, it was clearly written.
How was the cake at the party?
It was amazingly decorated.
How is your new backpack?
It is easily torn.
I hope you enjoyed this worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.